Welcome guys. So in this video we are going to talk about a few shortcuts for psql which will help you in your working. So let's see how many shortcuts we have for psql. Okay, so we have already talked about this. And this for listing out all the databases, and if you use -l plus, it will list them in some more manner, like what are other things about them. There are few some more columns. So -l is fine. It will list you all the databases with the owner of that. Okay. Capital /du, that is for users. /du plus, that is for listing out them in some more column. One more column is added, the description of the user. Okay. Like this, dt is for listing out the tables for particular uh, database we are connected to. If we want to check the database tables for some other database, we can connect to some other database, and this is for connecting to other database. /c and then the database name. So let's see the database name here, tables here. See, there are a lot of tables, so we need to connect to some other database. You want to see list out the tables using this. Okay, so another command is /t list of relations. The same. See, it will show you some sequences and tables, all of them. But /dt, this will show you, the tables only. Okay, if you want to see d and a table, oops, I haven't mentioned the correct name, d and tables, then it will show you the description of the table. Okay, and -t, this for, this will be your, it will bring the database on tuple mode only. So if you run this again, this, it will show you the, not showing the headers. Okay, if we use this, it doesn't show the headers of the column names of the any result. Okay, so I'm turning that off so that I'll get the column names as well. Okay, then we have dn, all the schemas. Dn, see, we have 4 schemas. We'll be talking about schemas in our next videos. Df, this will show you all the functions. Okay, db, that is for all the views. This for all. Server closed. Okay, PSQL, capital Postgres. Something has happened. Somewhere. Just a minute, let me check. Well, my server got stopped. Don't know somehow. So I do not have any relations right now with my database, but db is for finding the views. ds, finding the display number of sequence. di, to get all the indexes. Let's see if we have any indexes. Yeah, we have many. Okay, so that's all. That's the commands you can use. We already talked about connect info. Let's try show me that again. That will show you are connected to test user as Postgres, as user test database as user Postgres. This is the host, and if I use C, and then I'll be connected to Postgres user. Let me connect again to test. Okay, and then this is the command used to clear the screen in Windows. And if you use clear, this will be our Linux machine, because Linux is command for clearing the screen in Linux. Okay, then you have -G to execute previous command. Let's see, I have what I have executed earlier. Let me select, no, not select, -Du. Okay, so if I use G, it's not showing because it will not use this. It will the commands on this list are from. Let me list out the tables. DT. Okay, so bookings, select star from bookings. Okay, so if I use this, it will iterate your previous executed command, not the shortcuts you are using. So if I use timing /tim, timing is on. So your command took 1.411 milliseconds. It will show you the timing of your commands. Okay, timing. So I'm going to off this, turn this off. For that you need to run that again, the same as the tuple mode. Okay, so /e, that will execute, that will open your earlier command in notepad. We have executed this command. We can edit it anything you want, and then if we save it and close it, then the command gets executed here. Okay, so /e if you want to edit the previously executed command, and then if you're closing it, then that command will be executed. The same way ef, if you use -o /o file name, contents of a query, a file in a query output in a file. You can also use your in Postgres, all the scripts are auto commit on, so you can auto commit or turn that off as well. Okay, and -x, that is to expand, that is to turn expanded display on. Like if you are seeing something in /x, let me use this du plus. You see, you are seeing everything in this, and if you are just using, let me move out from here, and I'm turning that on again, off. Okay, so if I this, oh, my connection got dropped off again. Let me turn that on. pgtl status, no server running, you see. Started. Okay, psql -u postgres. Okay, oops, Maybe I have entered the wrong password. Okay, so where are we? So we have turned the extended display off. So that's all about the shortcuts for PostgreSQL. You can use them and your work will be much easy. So thank you, and I'll be talking to you in my next video. Thanks.